Today, I'm going to show you how to use coffee for weight loss. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Science-backed benefits of drinking coffee to lose weight. Whether you like having your cup of joe before work or depend on black coffee to kickstart groggy mornings, there's no denying that coffee is a great energy booster and a preferred one at that. Weighing low on calories, coffee is also a weight loss friendly drink to have, with benefits which have been vouched for a lot. Research over the years has also shown that having a cup of coffee regularly promotes healthy weight management in the long run. Number 1. Makes for a good pre-workout drink. What you have before and after your workout are equally important to maintain a fitter body, since it aids recovery and body fat reduction. If you're looking for an excellent energy booster to refuel your workout, coffee is what you need. Preferred by Weight Watchers, drinking black coffee a minimum of 30 minutes before heading for a workout aids faster fat loss and gives you plenty of energy to sweat more. Number 2. Filled with antioxidants. Excess caffeine might be bad for us, but we must remember that coffee contains rich antioxidant profiles. Antioxidants help crush free radicals that are responsible for fat accumulation, regeneration of new cells, as well as optimum vital functioning. Polyphenols, particularly which are present in caffeine, according to experts, are extremely weight loss friendly. Number 3. Helps suppress your appetite. The number 1 rule to promote weight loss is to burn more calories than you take in and create a deficit. One way to do so is to mindfully consume lesser carbs or eat moderate portions, and most importantly, cut down mindless junking. Drinking coffee is one way to do so. It has now been scientifically proven that caffeine consumption during the day lowers energy intake and promotes gastric emptying. Put simply, having a cup of coffee before your meals may fill you up and consume a lesser quantity. Number 4. Boosts your metabolism. Fat loss and weight reduction could also largely depend on how fast or slow your metabolism really is. While there are several natural ways to boost metabolism, coffee is one great uplifter. Recent studies published in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition have established that caffeine, in general, works to balance BMI and efficiently speeding up metabolism. A lot of it could be attributed to the rich antioxidants loaded in it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.